Okay, now it's live. Let me go back and fix that then, because I put the other link on there.
And my guess is it's probably not that big of a deal. Otherwise, he would have been like, probably like commented it on our videos that we messed up on when we were first getting the learning curve.
Yeah.
But I think the videos are more for us.
Yeah. Okay. I'm ready if you are.
I'm ready. Do you want me to go or do you want to start?
You can start.
All right, so the symbol for the true population proportion is just normal P.
Yep, that's what I got. For the next two questions, suppose n equals 100, equals 0.25, and p hat equals 0.10. The requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied, and I got true.
Same. And the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied, also true.
A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on a trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Find p hat point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who were found guilty in the state, and I got 0.750.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
And then for determining the margin of error, I got 0.11.
Okay.
Or 110.
I got 2. Okay, the lower bound, I got 0.640.
Same. And then for the upper bound, I got 0.860.
Same. Okay, if you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen with the width of the confidence interval? I got increase.
It's decrease.
It is.
Yeah, so basically because you're going, so the confidence interval is how confident you are it's between a specific set of numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So when you increase the sample
larger
size,
sample sizes, yeah, so that the confidence interval is small. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes more sense.
It's like, and if you plug in different, like if you were to actually plug it in, it shows that it increases. I mean, that it decreases, sorry.
I must have plugged it in wrong because I plugged it in and I got it that it increased, but I might have plugged it in the wrong spot.
But I plugged it in and it went from like 0.110 to like 0.75 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then conducts a hypothesis test when p equals 1/2. The smallest n can be is 20.
Yep, that's what I got. For p is 1/10, the smallest n can be is 100.
And then the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. It's true for that.
Yep.
Problem.
P hat, I got 0.475.
That's what I got.
Okay.
All right, and then for the test statistics, so I turned it in and I got like 15 and 16 wrong, and they were the only two that I got wrong. But when I redid it, I got negative 2.282.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay, so I think the first time I just didn't change what the null equaled kind of thing, because it was still 0.7.
Is that what you put?
No, that's what I got the second time. The first time it was like double that.
Okay, so yeah, I got negative 2.282 for the test statistic, and then for the p-value, I got 0.011.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay.
I was gonna say, I think the first time I just didn't change it to equal 0.06 instead of 0.07 or whatever.
Yeah, I noticed that I had to do that because I was kind of confused. So I looked at it and then I realized that there were more qualifications that I could change, and I did.
Yeah. I just didn't realize it till after I turned it in.
Yeah.
And then we reject the null hypothesis because it's low.
Yep. And then I got there is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has not decreased. The second one?
No, it's the fourth one. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased. So when the
Oh, that's right.
I was gonna say
P
when you
is
reject it,
that means that the second one is true. Okay.
yeah, and you have to state the alternative hypothesis. So while the other, like, there could be multiple answers that work and that are true, you need to state it in that certain way.
Yeah. Okay. With those two answers, the new ones, we got 100%.
Okay, awesome sauce. It's like I figured that was a hard chapter. I just made a stupid mistake. So
Yeah. I actually understood this chapter, so.
awesome.
So do you want me to make it Monday since I only did it today, or do you want to do it Monday?
I think it's just easier to keep it like for the week, so I can do it Monday. And then
Okay.
I do Monday and Wednesday, and you switch off again.
Yeah, and then just shoot me a text whenever you get it done, and I'll look at it.
I will. I'll send it to our group chat so that TJ can also know when it's there and let us know when to look at it. But we just have to have it in by like Saturday night, I think. So not worried.
Okay.
Then I will see you Monday.
Okay. See ya.